To wrap up our Thanksgiving series, we are making two of the most popular appetizers that are simply amazing any time of year. Firstly, chorizo stuffed mushrooms with parmigiana reggiano, and secondly, Gorgonzola stuffed dates with crispy bacon. Wow. Insanely delicious.
After removing the stems and cleaning the mushrooms, soak them in vinegar for about an hour. In the meantime, we can start frying the chorizo on medium heat to release the oils which we will use to caramelize the onions. We like to add a couple of teaspoons of cumin and coriander to the mixture. Salt and pepper to taste.
Thanks, James. And now for the really easy part, assemble by stuffing the mushrooms with the chorizo onion mixture and then the cheese. Broil until the cheese melts. And put in its rightful place next to the turkey on a rustic dish.
The stuffed dates are so easy and quick to make. Just cut open the date and pack about a tablespoon of Gorgonzola tightly inside the date and then roll in the bacon. We like to hold the bacon in place with a toothpick. Before baking, we like to add sugar and smoked paprika, which adds a really nice taste dimension to the bacon.
It takes a little while to crisp the bacon and you don't want to completely melt the cheese, so an easy trick is to keep the dates in the freezer for about an hour and then bake at 450 degrees. Finish with a high broil. As always, the team here at Lass's Kitchen wishing everyone a wonderful and safe Thanksgiving.
If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe. See you again soon. Bye now.
I'm Frank. I'm James.
I'm Katie.
I'm Mariah.
I'm Rachel.
And I'm Lassa.
And together, we are Lass's Kitchen.